Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get a gorgeous, flawless look using Bare Minerals Original Foundation. But before we move on to the tutorial, I just want to share my experience with the product because it's a foundation that I personally have been using for 20 years now. So I have some experience with this product. Now I found this product quite by chance 20 years ago, and it was literally love at first sight. It was a foundation that offered the impossible, which was flawless, poreless looking skin that was undetectable in real life. Now, as many of you know, I use it to film with, and I have it on here, and I use it in almost every single video that I film with. And the reason being is because it is flawless, it is poreless, and it's undetectable, and I film in 4K, so you can really see what the skin looks like. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a foundation that not only was undetectable, but that also had coverage, but looked like skin. It was so important for me that the product actually looked like skin. Now, it's a clean formula. It only has 5 ingredients. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it comes in 30 different shades. Now, Bare Minerals Original Foundation is a loose formula, but the moment it comes in contact with the skin, it turns into a creamy, dreamy, beautifully, easily blended product. Now, I know you're going to love it, and I love it, and have loved it, and continue to love it, and continue to speak about it 20 years later. So let me show you how to get a gorgeous, flawless base using Bare Minerals Original Foundation. You may need to adjust your audio slightly as I'll be filming a voiceover. Thank you so much. So we're going to start with the world famous swirl, tap, buff method. You're going to apply a small amount of product into the lid. Swirl the brush, tap off the excess, and then buff onto the face. Now, I'm using Bare Minerals Original Foundation. Now, Bare Minerals pretty much came up with the buffing technique, which is the more you buff this product into the skin, the more flawless and beautiful and airbrushed the skin will look, which is why as we go throughout this tutorial, I will continually rebuff onto the skin, because the more you buff, the more beautiful it's going to look. Now, this is filmed in 4K, and all you will see in this tutorial is flawless skin, and that's all you see with Bare Minerals Original Foundation is the most beautiful skin, never a heavy, cakey look, which is why I love it, why I wear it personally, why I use it on clients, and why I wear it in every video I film. So we're just buffing onto the skin. Now, any areas that need more coverage, it can be used as a concealer, whether it's under the eyes or anywhere else on the face. Works beautifully that way. You can also go in with a cream concealer. I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals BAREPRO Cream Concealer, and I'm going to apply this underneath the eyes and any areas on the face where I want there to be a bit more light. So just apply it to any areas you want to come forward. You can blend this with your finger or a brush. I'm going to show you both versions. And again, just tap or use a brush to smooth the product in. This product glides on perfectly with the original foundation, so there's no issues whatsoever. And you just get that gorgeous kind of light coming to the face. Now, I'm going to use this over the eyelids as well as a primer for the eye. And this will act to allow eyeshadow to adhere to the eye and give an overall clean look. So whether you want a neutral eye or a smoky eye, this is a great base. So I'm just going to rebuff into the skin, and then we're going to move on. Now, I'm going to just very, very lightly just groom the brows with the Bare Minerals Brow Master Pencil. I'm just going through them. Now, Jacinta has beautiful brows, so there's very little needed to do here, but I just want to add a small amount of color anywhere there's a few gaps needed. This just gives a more groomed look to the brow, because this video is really just about how gorgeous we can get skin to look with the Bare Minerals Original Foundation. So I'm just very lightly going through the brows. So we're going to move on, and next we're going to talk about blusher. Now, this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blusher. Now, I like to apply blusher quite high up on the cheekbone area because I like to lift the face, and I also want the face to have a small amount of glow with this product, which is what it does beautifully because it's so natural that you can't go wrong with your color choice. Applying it nice and high to the cheekbones. Any excess, I'm dusting on the temples, the bridge of the nose and the chin. It just pulls the whole look together and looks beautiful. Brand new product now. This is the Bare Minerals Endless Summer Bronzer. I'm applying this to the forehead and then in a 3 motion across the forehead, the cheeks and the jaw, and bringing it onto the neck. We're not trying to contour here, we're just trying to add a glow to the skin. We're trying to add dimension to the face. And this bronzer is absolutely beautiful. It just looks stunning, as you can see here. So we're going to add a tiny amount of mascara, and this is a brilliant mascara, the Bare Minerals Lashtopia Mascara. I'm just going to add this to the lashes. I'm not going to apply a lot, but just enough to give definition to the lashes, open the eyes, and give a more overall beautiful effect. So it's a small amount, but it just gives that really dark black lash effect, but still looks absolutely natural. Next, we're going to do lips, and this is the Bare Minerals BAREPRO lipstick. And I'm applying this to the lips, very nice, natural, neutral shade. Again, we're talking about skin here, but I'm just applying enough to give color and gorgeousness to the lips. Now, Bare Minerals Original Foundation is luminous by nature, but we're going to take that up a notch with a brand new product. And the brand new product is the Dew Mist, which is by Bare Minerals, and you're going to see that now, and it is incredible. Spritz it over the face and it will give you the most beautiful, luminous glow, setting makeup and just giving you that extra shot of luminosity, which is incredible. And that completes the look. And here we are, all we see is skin. We see gorgeous skin, and this is then able to go anywhere you want. A red lip, a smoky eye, or both. But the skin is perfected and it can go anywhere you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it enjoyable. Really appreciate your time. Information in the description bar. Thank you all so much. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.